To help us out with this hurricane house call, we wanted to introduce Taff from Florida Home Improvement Associates.
Yes, certainly. We love the opportunity to meet with folks like yourself, and certainly with the beautiful home that you have. We'd like to talk to you about ways that you can protect your home better for the hurricane season while maintaining the aesthetic look of the home and the charm of the home.
And she was worried that she wouldn't be able to replace her windows because it is a historical home and it is protected. Can she put in high impact windows?
There are communities that we deal with that are historic neighborhoods, and we go through that process with them and work really closely with the organization to ensure that we're doing everything to their code and to their standard, but while also giving you the opportunity to protect this beautiful home and your investment.
What does a high impact window mean? I mean, you hear it, but if a tree comes flying across, what's it really going to help?
Hurricane impact glass is just two pieces of glass with a polyvinyl butyl inner layer in between, heated at extreme temperatures. It's similar to your car windshield, so if anything were to hit it, it could crack the glass, but it wouldn't breach and the hurricane would stay on the outside instead of getting into the home.